Welcome to UEG Week 2024 here in Vienna. This is the start of a week that unites us all. A week where knowledge, collaboration, and inspiration take center stage. A week that will transform us. Because here, the brightest minds come together. Experts from around the world gathered to share ideas and advance the science. But UEG Week is more than just world-class research. It's about the connections we make, the friendships that last a lifetime. It's a place where we grow together, where we are stronger together. Welcome to UEG Week. Welcome to our community. Welcome home.